Streamlabs got monthly tipping now. This means that you're not dependent on Twitch anymore, or at least not as much as you used to be, or on other platforms like Patreon, OnlyFans, or anything like that, because, you know, Streamlabs got it now. Yeah! Streamlabs doesn't take any of your revenue, however, PayPal does, so it sounds a little bit different than it actually is. You don't get 100% of the tips, as PayPal always wants to share. But how are we gonna set it up? We're just going to streamlabs.com. Here we go to log in with our Twitch, click on account here, and then go to monthly tipping. Here we can see the settings. And here we can pause it or cancel allow monthly tipping. So this is technically already on. You see that this is on. If you want it off, you click on it again and it's going off. So now we can see that we're getting $0 a month from it. And what you want to do is you want to go to settings. Here you can set up your PayPal address. Right now I've got my PayPal in here. You can set up credit cards, UniPay, and Skrill here. They all take a share in if people donate, which is really annoying. Streamlabs doesn't take a single dollar or cent or dollar cent from you. So this is where you set up the PayPal. Mine is already connected, like you see. You already see your link here, streamlabs.com/3. That is where you can donate to me. The monthly tipping is basically already on. So like if we go to the website, I really need to change this. I was like working with this, but I was not happy at all. It's just too colorful and too bright. I need to make it a lot more relaxed. I want to make it fun, but I made it a little bit too much fun, I think. Like here you can donate with your username and just a number. And here we can click on monthly tipping and you can basically say, but I want to pay $1 or $5 a month for this person to support them with the streaming or content creation. This will actually be displayed in your stream as well with an alert. Like here you see my alert with the character chart got money and then supported tree with amount, and then the message you left with it. This is the message here. So it's literally the same as just donating once, but this time you click on monthly tipping here instead of one-time tipping, and it's already on. So make sure that if you don't want it on, to turn it off, but I would say keep it on because, you know, it's really helpful if people donate every month instead of just once. This way you can get a sustainable income and you just know what you're gonna get that month, which is more helpful than just a one-time donation, I guess. If you guys want to know more about Streamlabs, I got a whole playlist full, so jump into this playlist with me and I will see you there.